Hello and welcome to busy.org tutorial. So busy.org is lead generation or enrichment tool powered by AI. So whenever you come to Busy, you'll see something that looks like this. You can search companies with filters, for example, their headquarters locations, employee count, contacts by job title, for example, CIO, CEO, CMO, senior level, all of this stuff, right? So this is like a basic lead generation filters, right? But what you can also do is search with smart AI search. So for example, instead of just saying SaaS, you can say something like this: AI-powered cold email software, and you'll get a bunch of results. You can do the same about anything else basically. So that's the beauty of Busy, because it uses AI to help you find and enrich leads. So for example, we found this company, we can see their all information, push them to a CRM, add them to a list, do anything and everything. Now of course it's pretty limited now because it only has leads from a couple of countries, Belgium, France and Netherlands, but for anyone who's targeting Europe or these exact companies, this could be a great tool because it allows you to enrich leads and find them with a search that none other AI lead generation lead database tool has, right? So take a look, and if you want me to review any other tool, just let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe!